हेलो व्यूवर्स, अगेन वेलकम। आज की इस वीडियो में आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आए हैं बहुत ही खूबसूरत डेकोरेशन आइडियाज़ फॉर एक्समैक्स डेकोरेशन। ब्यूटीफुल एक्समैक्स डेकोरेशन है, ब्यूटीफुल आइडियाज़ हैं फॉर एवरीवन हु वांट्स टू क्रिएट समथिंग न्यू एंड अमेजिंग फॉर एवरी होम। तो व्यूवर, आप देख सकते हैं इस वीडियो में आपको दिखाए गए हैं बहुत ही प्यारे प्यारे एंड अमेजिंग डिज़ाइंस, ब्यूटीफुल आइडियाज़। रिसाइकलिंग के बहुत अच्छे आइडियाज़ हैं। जूट रोप के साथ बनाए गए ये ड्रेसेस, जूट रोप के साथ बनाए गए ये beautiful dearest ornaments for this season, for upcoming season, and beautiful ideas too. वॉल हैंगिंग के ये ornaments हैं, रेज हैं, wall hanging with bell, and you can hang also on trees, door, wall hanging ornaments हैं ये, which is really helpful. Very beautiful ideas for those people who wants to create something new and amazing. Jute rope wall hanging decoration recycling ideas. Here are very beneficial for you. So these are very interesting designs. Hope you're doing very well. Hope you're doing very well and amazing ideas. Today's we are explored and simple discolored items into beautiful wall hanging decoration. Yes, we will recycle old things, try to show you, breathe new life into forgotten materials, and transform them into art that fills your home with warmth, creativity, and mindfulness. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin the journey of crafting beauty of simplicity. Let's start with rustic charm on jute burlap wall hanging. Take an all jute sack or a piece of burlap fabric, cut it into rectangle and circle, and glue it over a cardboard or wooden base. So viewers, hope you're enjoying very well. Every thread of jute reminds us that simplicity is beauty and recycling is not just saving the planet, it's out of the heart. Viewers, you know very well the benefits of crafting. It's a beautiful thing, and you can create very beautifully. If you want to do something different for your home, for your door and wall hanging decoration, cut them into petal shapes, and every thread wrap the edges with jute. If you have old CDs lying around, don't throw them away. Cut them carefully into small pieces and arrange them on a frame or mirror base. The light will dance beautifully across your wall. It's the idea for old CDs. So cardboard and rope art. Now let's talk about cardboard and rope art. Now let's move to something wonderfully simply cardboard and jute rope art. Cut cardboard in geometric shapes, circles, hexagon or arcs. Wrap each one and neatly with jute or cotton rope. Arrange them through a pattern or a wall on the wall. This design adds a 3D texture and brings balance into new space. It's proof that creativity doesn't come from expensive materials, come from a thoughtful mind and loving hands. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Every recycled wall hanging is more than decoration, it's a message of mindfulness, care, and hope. When you create and love, You don't just beautiful beautify your home,